Hey everyone, if your Schlage lock is blinking red light or not opening, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try in 2026. Now, a blinking red light often means low battery. So you need to first of all remove the battery cover on the inside of the lock, and then you need to first of all replace all the batteries with fresh ones. You can use high quality alkaline batteries and avoid mixing any old or the new ones. After replacing the batteries, you can try entering the code again and see if you see the red light again or if the issue is fixed. Now, sometimes the issue is due to the wrong code attempts. So you need to make sure that you enter the correct pin carefully and wait for the lock to respond. Now, if you have entered the wrong code multiple times, the lock may go into the temporary lockout. So in that particular situation, you just have to simply wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds and then you can try using it again. Now, if the lock can't move properly, it won't open. So you can try manually turning the thumb turn from inside. If it feels stuck, you can check if the door is misaligned or putting pressure on the lock. Slightly push or pull the door while unlocking in order to reduce the pressure. Now, if nothing works, what you can do is you can simply do a quick reset of the lock. For that, you just have to remove the battery pack and then press and hold the Schlage button. While holding it, simply reinsert the battery pack and keep holding it for further 10 seconds. Then release the button and wait for the lock to reset. You will need to set it up again after the reset. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the red blinking light on your Schlage lock is fixed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.